Conversation discussion about upcoming exams. Hello Aisha. Hello Anjali. Hey Aisha, our exams are just around the corner. Have you started preparing? Yes, I have. I am focusing on mathematics and science first because they are a bit difficult for me. That's a good strategy. I find social studies tough, especially history. There are so many dates to remember. I know, right? I make small notes and revise them daily. It really helps. That's a smart idea. By the way, how do you manage your time while studying? I study for 45 minutes, then take a 10 minutes break. It's keep me fresh and focused. Wow, I'll try that too. Also, do you solve previous year's question papers? Yes, they give a good idea about exam pattern. We should practice them together. Yes, let's do it. All the best for your exam. You too. Let's give our best. Do like, subscribe.